Hi folks, this is Mike with Window Precision Painting. This channel is dedicated to showing you what the pros know so you can do it yourself. In this video, I've got a cool ladder to show you guys, one I use a lot, one that's really handy. I'm going to show you a lot of tips and tricks on that. Before I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button over there, and here we go folks.
Are you still looking at me? Are you still
Hey guys, the ladder we have here today, this is called the Xtend and Climb. This is a 15.5 foot model. They make them in different models relative to the height. This is the contractor edition. It's got a 300-pound max load. Really cool video on YouTube. I forget the guy's name. It's a roofing channel, and they test these at like absurd angles. And this one was able to withstand 300 pounds on its side, literally. So check that out if you want. One of the things I like about this, got an easy carrying handle on it, really soft padded handle. It's not too heavy. It does have rubber grips if you're inside on tile or wood floors. It sticks really well. It has a little handle here, little Velcro strap so you can carry it without worrying about these coming up. They do make these in A-frame. These are the only ones I own right now, but if you guys give me a sec, I'll show you how this bad boy works and give you a little demonstration. Alright you guys, one of the things I forgot to mention too, the features about this, when I'm doing interiors, I don't know if you try to carry a 16-foot extension ladder through hallways and tight corners, but this guy's really convenient for doing interiors. Also, it fits in your trunk, so there's really no excuse. If you've got a car and you're trying to start a painting business and you need extension ladders, this thing's really a really handy tool to have. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it for you guys. They have these little buttons on them that are closed right now, but it just extends up like that, and you just go one level at a time. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on the wall. Alright guys, so that is all the way out. They have these green buttons on them that let you know that the stair or the step is actually locked into place. So as you're walking up, just pay attention to your green little buttons. But it's really sturdy, you guys. So that's how she works, and show you guys how it breaks down. So one of the drawbacks to this guy is you really got to watch your fingers. I've already got mine a couple times before, but what you're going to do is you just press these little buttons in, and sometimes it can be tough and it's just going to break down for you. See, this is where it gets a little tough. And the last one here, it's more of a two little buttons like this. There we go. And then you just put your strap back on. Little handle, throw it back in your trunk. Really cool tool, you guys. Like I said, the only drawback I think is a little tough sometimes to break down, but other than that, awesome compact tool. Watch your fingers whatever you do, because you can pinch them. Hey guys, if you guys have any drywall related questions, just want to let you guys know, there's a channel called That Kilted Guy Do It Yourself Home Improvement. Go check him out if you have any drywall questions. The guy's been doing it for over 40 years. really knowledgeable on the subject. Go check him out, his channel. Guy really knows what he's talking about. I also believe he has a website, thatkiltedguy.com. Don't forget to check him out. Really good stuff, you guys. Alright guys, that's it for my extended climb review. I'll leave a link in the description where you guys can purchase one of these. You can find them on Amazon, but I'll leave one down there anyways. That's going to be it for us for today. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Hit that little button down there. We got a ton of stuff coming up soon. But yeah, for now, don't forget to like us on Instagram, Facebook, and of course hit that subscribe button. And we will see you on the next one.
Why you still looking at me? Why you, yeah.